All right, guys, Super Glow one-time multi-sport break number 22 is coming at you now. So this is our fifth box out of the 6-box case. Still looking for that Brock Purdy, so it's either in this one or it's going to be in the last one again. I feel like we're going to break the cycle, though. It's going to be in this one. But you've also got guys like Steph Curry, Giannis, and a whole lot of other big names. So every spot in the break gives you 2 random last name letters. So William, you've got 2 spots, Michael H with 4, Brett with 3, and then Alan, you've got the last spot. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize our letters. We'll mix this up 5 times. All right, 2 last name letters per spot. See who's going to get the P. All right, guys, here we go. So Alan, you've got last name letters H and M. Brett's got T, A, R, V, K, and J. Michael, you've got S, N, C, F, D, E, Y, and G. And then William, you actually got W, B, you've got the P, and last name letter L. So if we can pull that Brock Purdy, it's going to be coming to William this time. All right, maybe my math is wrong. Maybe there's this one and then there's 2 more because 22, break 22, that should mean there's 2 more after this. All right, can we pull it? We got a pack and then we got a card. Well, we got a nice one. It's not the Brock Purdy, but it is a Chris Olave. And that is going to be random among everybody because we're not using the last name letter O. So number 22 out of 100. So that's going to be random among everybody in the break. And then we've got a Black Opal Edition pack. So there could be autos in this. Let's see what we can get. That means that Brock Purdy eluded us again. All right, we got a Zaire Wade. Come on. Not sure if you're going to be able to see it. Zaire Wade, you've got a Malik Willis. Got a Jordan Davis Black. And then you've got Cole Anthony. So last name letter A, D, W, and W. All right, so let's go ahead and do a random for this Chris Olave. So everybody's going to be in the mix for this one. All right, guys, here we go. We'll randomize it 5 times. The name at the top after 5 is going to get the card. So here we go. There's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, and 5 going out to Brett. So Brett, congratulations, man. You got the Chris Olave auto. All right, we'll get those cards in the mail tomorrow, and we'll do another of this coming up this weekend.